construction of the Pokwase interchange has resulted in the provision of some 4 hectares of prime urban space underneath the interchange, which has to be put to good use to the benefit of the country. I entreat all Ghanaians to join hands in building the Ghana we want. I have the great pleasure to declare the Pokwase interchange duly commissioned.